Okay, what I got here is a vintage Sears Roebuck model 7196 tradition alarm clock. It's pretty cool, pretty vintage. I can't seem to get the alarm to work, but I might be doing it wrong. Anyways, if I plug it in, it lights up. There's the brightness switch on the back. That's working. There. Let me set the time. Time is set. And then you run. Alarm set. And then go back to run. Alarm off. Alarm low, alarm high. And I think these buttons, you must just touch them, because it's not like you can't push them in. So it must be like one of those lamps that have the multi-touch settings, you know, the three-way lamps. All in all, it's in good shape. You could probably clean this up a bit. It's pretty good. Like I said, I'm not sure how to work the alarm. I tried setting it and then I waited and it didn't go off, but I don't know. Maybe this is a secret. Maybe not. But it's a pretty cool little alarm clock. I'll be selling it on eBay. And be sure to click the link in the description to check out this and my other listings. And thanks for watching.